This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Google's bold claim is that this phone reimagines the Android flagship. But after using it daily, there's one thing they don't show in the ads, and it's not just about the camera. So is this the Android phone you should buy in 2026? Let's find out. Product overview. Alright, so what are we actually looking at here? This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro, Google's most premium smartphone, and is meant to be the flagship Android and beyond. It's powered by Google's custom Tensor G3 chip with 12 gigabytes of RAM, ships with Android 14, upgradable, and promises 7 years of security and OS updates, which is wild for Android. On paper, this is a camera powerhouse with a big, bright 6.7-inch QHD+ LTPO OLED display that can adapt from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and battery savings. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it feel day to day? The Pixel 8 Pro feels fast. General apps open lightning quick. Switching between emails, social media, and YouTube was seamless. Games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact run smoothly too. Though don't expect this to beat gaming-centric phones with top-tier GPUs. Tensor G3 isn't the fastest silicon in the Android world. It plays more in the balanced performance with AI smarts than straight-line benchmark domination. But for most folks, it feels snappy and reliable. One caveat: after heavy camera usage or extended sessions, some users report thermal throttling and occasional sluggishness. That's not universal, but it's worth calling out. Real-world usage isn't always perfect. Features and tech. AI smart features. Tensor G3 is built around AI and machine learning, which powers features like smarter call screening, on-device transcription, intelligent photo editing, and useful assistant tricks, stuff competitors don't bundle as deeply. Display. The Pixel 8 Pro's 6.7-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED display gets bright. We're talking excellent outdoor visibility, and that adaptive refresh rate means smooth scrolling and battery efficiency. Cameras. You've got a 50-megapixel main, 48-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and 48-megapixel ultra-wide, all with OIS, so you're covered whether you're shooting landscapes or zooming in on details. Google's photo processing remains class-leading. Extra sensors. There's a built-in temperature sensor. Yeah, that's a real thing that can read object temp. Plus UWB support for precise spatial awareness and future smart device use. Design and build. Let's talk about how this feels in your hand. Google gives the Pixel 8 Pro a matte glass back with an aluminum frame. It looks clean and premium. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to freak out over spilled coffee. But here's a real-world thing. That matte glass can feel a little slippery without a case. Not a deal breaker, but something you'll notice when you pick it up. Battery life. Battery time is solid. A full day is easy with moderate to heavy use, and a 24-hour runtime feels realistic. Real-world reports are mixed. Some people find it great, others feel it's just okay compared to top competitors. Charging is capped at 30 watts wired, which is respectable, but not record-setting, and wireless charging tops out at 23 watts with Google's Pixel Stand. Pros. Fantastic display, bright, smooth, and adaptive. Smart features that feel genuinely useful. Long-term software support plus clean Android. Cons. Battery good, but not class-leading. Occasional heat or throttling under stress reported. Final verdict. So who is the Pixel 8 Pro actually for? If you're someone who loves photography, cares about software longevity, and wants a phone that feels smart every day, this is one of the best Android picks right now. But if your priority is all-out performance or insane battery life, there are competitors that might edge it out. Calls like the Galaxy S24 Ultra or even the iPhone 15 Max still shine depending on what you value most. For most people who want a well-rounded, intelligent flagship that doesn't feel gimmicky, the Pixel 8 Pro is absolutely worth your hard-earned cash. Just be ready to pair it with a solid case. That's my take on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. If you're thinking about grabbing one, drop a comment. I want to know what you're most excited about. If this review helped you out, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.